Hello everyone, from sunny Lanzarote. Today's video is going to be about the best things that I've bought on holiday with us after you've seen the views. Before we get into everything, I want to apologise for the sporadic nature of this video, and I really want to focus on the next couple of weeks coming, putting out some quality content. So if you can like, subscribe, give me some ideas, let's get into the video. So yes, so this is what we've brought along with us. This is the mouse backpack that's been carrying everything. This is the AMG Patronus Formula 1 edition. Inside we've got the air foam technology, so the laptop and iPad have been in there. Absolutely loads of space. Pocket here, we've been carrying one of the other items in, which we'll show you in a moment. One of the items, this one just here, everybody's been taking off me because they've needed it all the way through the holiday, so we'll get into that last. So for media consumption on holiday, as well as my phone, we've got the iPad Mini 6 here, the Apple Pencil in the moffed case. I'll put a link in the description about how we saved this iPad from the scrap heap, as it's a few generations old now, but it's been brilliant on holiday. From my last video, you'll know I'm a watch nut, so this case has come in really handy. This was only cheap off Shein. I'll try and find some sort of link, but I'm sure there'll be a version on Amazon as well. But what it's allowed me to do is bring a couple of my favourite watches, nothing expensive, just the Seiko, two Seikos and the Citizen. Enjoy my watches on holiday without worrying about them. Now we've got a content device in the iPad Mini. Going along with that, we need something for around the pool where people don't have to suffer the audio that I'm watching. With that, we've gone with two different things. The trusty AirPod Pro 2s. These have stood the test of time. A couple of years old now, we'll be looking to upgrade at the airport on the way home. What is interesting actually is that whilst we've been around looking at shops and things in Lanzarote in the open mall, they have the AirPod Pro 3s and they are €189 at the moment. At home it's £219. So with conversion, it would be even cheaper than that. But unfortunately, they were sold out. There was probably a couple of savvy holiday makers that have already noticed that and probably bought them all. The other fantastic thing that I've had whilst I've been on holiday has been the Ray-Ban Metas. You've already seen my video on these. You know my thoughts on them. And I told you then that these were from my holiday, and I wasn't wrong. They've been fantastic. So they've gone almost everywhere, apart from to the water park and places where it's a little bit more intimate. But I'll put some footage on as I'm talking, and hopefully you'll get an idea of what they're great for. There was a particular night where we were doing line dancing where the footage was brilliant. Now I'm not going to show you any of my family or anyone else's family in there. I'll try and get good little shots where it's nice and anonymous, because I don't want to take anyone's privacy away from them. Being the geek of the family, I'm the one obviously with all of the wires and all of the chargers and stuff, powered by an Anker Power brick. This is the Anker Power Point 3 65 watt charger. As you can see there, it charges a laptop, a phone. And what this has been powering is my favourite little device. I carry this everywhere in my backpack, even at home, so at work and anywhere that I go. I've got Anker MagGo wireless charge station, phone there, AirPods and Apple Watch. So the rate of charge is excellent. It charges up the phone perfectly while we're getting ready, and the AirPods and the Apple Watch, and I wouldn't be anywhere without this, to be honest. One of my favourite little bits of tech. Another little gadget that I've had on the channel before is this little 3-in-1. It's got lightning, it's got USB-C to C, USB-A to lightning as well. That's been a great little tool to have whilst we've been on holiday. So now to the last thing that everybody's been stealing off me this holiday, and it is, as you could probably have guessed, a power bank. This is the InEU power bank, if I'm saying that right. It's up to 99.9 watt hours of charge, which is the maximum that you can get on a plane, most planes these days. What's it on at the moment? It's on 96 at the moment. So this battery pack, everybody's been stealing it. They all forget to charge their phones, and it's me that has to save them. So this has been worth its weight in gold. It's currently on sale at £63 on Amazon, and you can charge a laptop from it, you can charge your iPads from it. If you're using charging phones, you can charge probably 10 times in a day. I'll get the official stats on the screen for you, but this has been the best thing we've had on this holiday. So those are my few favourite gadgets and things that I've brought along with me, best items that I've taken on holiday this year. Obviously there's other things like the Mic Mini and the DJI Nano that we're recording on here. I did also bring the Neo 2 along. I plan to fly this on holiday, but because we're so close to the airport, there's just nowhere with a fly zone that will allow us to do that. Thank you, and the next couple of months I'm looking to really hammer the content, so please subscribe and get on my back, help me get through these few months. Want to get the content really good and want to make things take off. So thank you again for the, I think, 115 subscribers at the moment for watching, and I hope I can entertain you going forward. So as always, have a good one.